Okay, hopefully you've been with us on the previous question. Now we are going to Crypto 2. We are solving the questions from the Capture the Flag of Hack the Box CTF. Apolcalypse 2021. Crypto 2 says the aliens have learned of a new concept called security by obscurity. Fortunately for us, they think it is a great idea and not a description of a common mistake. Security by obscurity among people who know cryptography is the wrong mistake. It's a bad mistake. We've intercepted some alien communications and think they are XORing flags with a single byte key. What does it mean? It means they have some flags. Again, it's in the form of C, HTB, some flag here, and they are using 1 byte key. So everything is XORed with a specific thing. For example, with A, with A, with A, with A, and it's giving us something here which is not readable unless we XOR again with the same key. So they're hiding the result inside 9,999 lines of random data. Can you find the flag? This challenge will raise 33 euros for a good cause. So this is the output file they have. I will just show the head. So there are around 10,000 lines like this. And again, this is in the hex format. So we have to convert 3C to the equivalent character. First, I will convert it to the equivalent decimal. Then I will convert to the see what's my plan. My plan is first convert this to the same. I'm thinking about creating a function. If you remember, we had some cipher hex. I'm talking about the previous thing we solved. Okay. Now I created a small for loop and described how it is converting this to the strings. But I can make a function out of this. Def hex to string will get a string. And then we'll spit back the return cipher. Sorry. Now we have it in the form of a function. So I can call h2s this and get back the equivalent string. This is good. Now I have to read all these 10,000 lines. Easy in Python. I will say f is open the name of the file, which is crypto2 output txt. Okay, I can emphasize that I'm opening this for reading, and then say lines is f read lines. As you can see, I can use the tab when I'm in IPython. That's why we love it. Now I have all the lines like this. We have an extra character in the end, which is the enter, but no problems. Let me exit from this so I have more space to play. Now I have the lines, I have the function. So for each line, I will go through the lines. For L in lines, now I have to check if this is the function. My idea is very straightforward and obvious. It's a 1 byte key, right? Key is 1 byte. What does this mean? That these two, when converted to decimal, when converted to character, should be something, but when I XOR it with C, it should give me the key. So it's enough to convert this to the string first, the whole thing, the first line. Then XOR the first character with the C. Why C? Because I know the flag is CHTB this. And the question description have told me that this is a 1-byte key. So if I XOR the first character of this string with C, I will get the key. Then I have to go through the whole string and XOR everything with the key I just found. And then check if it looks like one of my flags. Let's do it. Very, very easy and straightforward. One issue I had in the beginning was that I didn't understood that this is a hex. I worked on the normal string and I got garbage. After one failure and checking that my code is right, I found out, okay, this looks like a hex. Why? Because all the characters you see are only consist of 0 to 9 and A to F. Okay. So, what I will do for L in lines, and I had one extra character in the end. So, if I do L strip, it will remove the last extra character, which is escape or enter or tab or whatever. This is the definition of the strip. Then I will say my ciphertext is hex to S, the function I just created. Now I have my ciphertext. My key is ciphertext 0 XORed with the first character I need, C. But these are characters and XOR works on the integers. So I need to convert them to the equivalent numbers. So this is it. I found my key. Then for the plain text, I can do for every character in C, for CH in C, P, add to the P. What should be added? Not sure if you're hearing the water sound, but someone is watering the garden, which is good. P, add to the plain text. What should be added? The CHR, which character? For sure, key should be XORed by equivalent number, equivalent ASCII code of the CH. This should be it. But just to make sure, looks okay. Let's print P. Why each time I'm doing the same thing? Strip. P is nothing. Lines. Let's check lines. Okay, lines are changing. Then I will go for each L in lines. What I have done. Let's go to the function. Maybe in my function S cipher. Oh, this should be ciphertext. Cipher hex. So here I'm using cipher hex. I have the cipher hex value, so it's always returning the same thing. This is why you should not just copy paste your code in different places. Now what? Now it's working, but none of these are the thing I'm looking for. Reset will... No. Reset has a specific meaning in the IPython. Normally, if you are on a normal terminal, reset will reset your terminal to the normal fonts and everything. So I'm finding different P's. But what I need, I want a specific one which starts with something. So I will say if P starts with CHTB, then that's what I need you to print. Woo! Needle in high stack, in a high stack. So this is the second phase of their cipher which we broke. Be with me, and I will do some reverse engineering CTFs at the moment. Again, from the same CTF, from the Hack the Box, just to show you how the reverse engineering works. As you saw, these are very, very simple programs. It gets gradually harder and harder. There were 3 crypto challenges after this, and some other crypto challenges on different levels. But what I want to show you is you can play these games. It doesn't need to be an extra hacker from the moon. You just need to understand the basics, and this is an opportunity for you to learn. So participate in the other CTFs, go to the CTF time and play with the games, and you will learn and learn and learn. Each one is an opportunity to learn. Let's go and visit some reverse engineering questions. They are also cool. As I told you, I'm mainly into crypto, and crypto for us means cryptography, not cryptocurrency, and also reverse engineering. Let's go for 2 reverse engineering questions.